Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I have another video of some color swatches. This time these are from Happy Cat Tie-Dye. Happy Cat Tie-Dye is owned by Amanda and she's made these colors specifically for ice dyeing. So I didn't make liquid swatches, I just made ice dyed swatches. And I applied the dye over the top of the ice. I'll put a link down below in the description for this video to her website if you'd like to order some of her colors. I don't own all the colors that she has available, but all the ones that I do have and that I've tried are gorgeous. They are made to have lots of beautiful color splits, and they definitely don't disappoint. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video of the color swatches, and if you have, I'd appreciate it if you'd like it, and if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you'll hit the bell, you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.